Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cycle Animate in easiest way possible in mobile device. You only need to have Ibis paint and Flipa-Clip. So how do I animate like that edgy video in the first place? Watch until the end of this video. First I'm gonna draw a character for suitable animation in Flipa-Clip.
Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls.
Second, you need to sort your layers with the folder and press add canvas from folder. Third, special pen is the best update you only had. Use it and smudge it to the position you wanted to. The fourth is to play your special pen string to make sure if there's any mistakes you can fix. After you finish the smudge with the special pen, save the PNG at least depending on your suitable animation frame, and save each PNG by lowering your special pen strength. I usually takes 6 frames in animating, but this is more than 6 lol. Now for the Flipa-Clip. I have 7 PNG and a background in my gallery. The first phase is you need to add from the recent PNG to last PNG, so which means I put my PNGs into frame. The second is to repeat this in backwards, after reach the last PNG about the 6th PNG to second PNG. Second phase is you just need to add your background in the second canvas of the animation as you like. And the last phase is to play the animation and make sure it's a suitable FPS you needed. The last one is optional, if you like to add some edgy or aesthetic effects lol. I will make this edgy animation with some effects.
Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children, no, yeah. Give it a ballsy balls. Give it a ballsy balls. Feed my children,
You can practice this as you want, like I made this Indonesia Independence Day for my friends in Indonesia, especially the kinky stuff lol. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed and learned a new efficient way to animate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.